Do you know that 85% of people experiencing Google Ads account suspended for circumventing system cannot recover their accounts? Hi, my name is Nina from Mega Digital Sales Department. Welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to take you through some notices about Google Ads circumventing system policy and reasons behind your account suspension for this issue. Google Ads circumventing system policies. This violation is often related to ad setup and links leading to the website. In the checking process, Google will suspend your account if the content, activities, or click checkers on the account appear suspicious, inappropriate, and deceiving. According to Google circumventing system policy, the following is not allowed: using cloaking techniques, breaking the policies repeatedly across accounts, creating different versions of rejected ads, websites, or content, using techniques within text, images, or video to obscure sexually explicit material, creating fresh accounts to re-enter the system, abusing product features in Google Ads, supplying inaccurate details within Google's verification program. Common reasons for Google Ads suspended for circumventing systems. After years of running Google Ads and encountering hundreds of cases like this, I have learned some common causes for Google Ads accounts suspended due to circumventing systems. The first reason I would like to mention is cloaking. It is a way of displaying different material to specific users that intends to interfere with Google's review processes, such as redirecting to non-compliant content, inserting DNS to link to another page or content, and limiting access to your landing page and manipulating the content page. Violating an ad and being denied multiple times is another route for your account to be suspended for circumventing system policy. Leaving an ad with errors for a long time can easily lead to suspension. The third cause is creating violated ads includes: Number 1. Using Google Ads product features to show violated content to gain more users or traffic. Number 2. Creating versions of prohibited advertising, websites, or content to avoid detection and enforcement processes. Number 3. Using text manipulation by text that comes from different languages or Unicode blocks. Last but not least, violating policy multiple times includes: 1. Creating new domains or accounts whose ads similar to ads have been disapproved. 2. Attempting to create a new Google Ads account to re-enter the system after the suspension. Comment down below to let me know which cause you are dealing with. So that's all for today's video. I hope this video has given you useful information on circumventing system policy and factors causing Google Ads accounts suspended for it. Stay tuned for the next episode, which I will give you instructions on how to troubleshoot your Google Ads account suspended for circumventing systems. If you need help, contact Mega Digital to get assistance from the top Google partner in the APAC region. Like and subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification alarm. You don't want to miss the next video. Goodbye and see you in the next video.